How can I slice a data frame by timestamp, when timestamp isn't classified as index? How can I split my pandas data frame by using the timestamp on it? I got the following prices when I called the F30M. As you can see, it contains the last 35 days grouped by intervals of 30 minutes. I wanna manipulate this price history in different time windows. So, as a beginner example, I would like to fetch only the info from the last one day. How can I filter this data frame to show the info from the last one day? This is what I've tried. This returns me a pandas series filled with true or false. Also, I've tried to use the between underscore time module. But I got the following error message. Please, can anyone show me a Pythonic way to slice my data frame?
You can use log to index your data. Do you know if your timestamps at datetime.datetime formats or pandas timestamps? You can set the index to the timestamp column and then index as follows.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.